NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit, real Edge AI results, proof, and breakthroughs.
You're 3 hours into a demo build when your vision pipeline stalls, inference crawls, and the carefully prepared prototype simply refuses to cooperate. I've been exactly there, watching a robotics showcase nearly collapse because the edge board couldn't keep pace with real-time detection demands. That quiet, sinking frustration when hardware feels like the ceiling rather than the foundation. Sound familiar?
The deeper problem isn't one bad afternoon. It's the compounding weight of every missed inference window, every model barely fitting into memory, and every decision quietly costing momentum. A colleague spent 2 exhausting weeks optimizing a diffusion pipeline, only to watch latency remain unacceptable, with his confidence visibly wearing thin. That kind of drain is real. Relief starts with the right foundation. Don't just pick any Edge AI developer kit. Make sure it has hardware-accelerated AI compute with a mature software ecosystem, so you never experience crippling inference bottlenecks and wasted optimization hours again. That's exactly where the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit became the logical answer. Delivering 67 INT8 TOPS of AI performance alongside 102 gigabytes per second of LPDDR5 memory bandwidth, it handles vision transformers, YOLO-style detection, and on-device LLM inference with genuine composure. A product manager I know nearly missed a critical client deadline running a 7 billion parameter model demo, but once she deployed on the Orin Nano Super, the pipeline recovered and the presentation landed without a single hiccup. The Jetpack 6.2 SDK brings CUDA, TensorRT, and QDNN ready to go, dramatically reducing setup friction. Flexible 7-watt to 25-watt power modes let you tune performance for battery-powered or thermally constrained environments. Some developers quietly find this kit handles edge analytics and smart sensor workloads well beyond its assumed robotics role. What most people overlook, though, is how the memory bandwidth improvement reshapes long-term workflow confidence in ways that are easy to miss at first. The difference after consistent use is quieter and more sustainable than any headline suggests. Workflows that once required constant manual tuning simply run. Storage Review noted that its flexible design and low power consumption make it a strong candidate for commercial edge deployments, ranging from smart surveillance to industrial automation, a grounded assessment that holds up under real pressure. A robotics hobbyist in the developer community described running smooth YOLO object detection and local LLMs up to 7 billion parameters as genuinely satisfying rather than stressful, which says something meaningful about daily usability. One common misconception worth addressing is that a software update cannot meaningfully change hardware performance. The 1.7 times generative AI throughput improvement delivered through Jetpack updates challenges that assumption directly and practically. Concerns about learning curve are fair, but the mature Jetpack ecosystem, active community forums, and compatibility with PyTorch, TensorFlow, and ROS lower that barrier considerably for most developers. Growing adoption in university labs, prototyping studios, and commercial robotics teams reflects organic recognition rather than manufactured momentum. What matters more to you in an edge AI platform? Raw compute or ecosystem depth? See why so many professionals continue relying on it as both grow stronger together. That expandability story deserves a closer look. The NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano Super Developer Kit is the kind of platform that quietly improves every project it touches. Developers, researchers, and educators across robotics, vision, and generative AI are choosing it for its balance of compact form, real performance, and a software stack that simply works. That combination matters more than most expect. The link is in the description, and I genuinely encourage you to check it out and experience the difference for yourself. Results may vary based on workload and configuration, but the foundation here is one you can build on with confidence.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.